दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें। साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
According to my knowledge, there are several developed countries in the world that hold importance in terms of economic and technological advancements. These countries are categorized into different groups. The United States of America is a paramount technological country that holds significance in technology, space commerce, cyber attacks, industry, and trade. China is the second largest technological country in the world and holds the second position after the United States in terms of economic development. Japan is famous for its technology, innovation, mobile technology, gaming industry, and transportation sector. Germany is renowned for its technology, machinery manufacturing, and chemical industry. Russia plays a significant role in space programs, innovation, defense industry, and energy sector. South Korea is progressing in technology, electronics, and information technology. France is famous for space commerce, transportation, aerospace industry, and innovation. The United Kingdom holds importance in technology, space commerce, arts, and defense industry.